This is one of my absolute favorite next-level nail dipping designs, perfect for anyone who's been doing self-taught nails at home for over a year. If you've already mastered applying a thin, even layer of powder and liquid and feel confident with basic designs like French tips and curves, this subtle yet stunning combo will instantly elevate your look. The challenge with this design lies in managing the process smoothly. It's all about saving time and effort while creating something truly flawless. But even if it takes you longer, the result is well worth it for such a cute and polished finish. I always stick to the beginner-friendly principle of using a fine shimmer paired with super shine. This combo not only creates the most flawless base color, but also gives you the flexibility to build color blocks, curves, or any intricate design you want. It's a foolproof way to ensure your nails look professional every time. One important tip is to know your products very well. Understand how quickly your dip liquid dries, when it's safe to move to the next step, and how long the activator takes to fully harden the material before filing. If you're unsure, you can always use clear powder to speed up the process and isolate different colors, especially when working with designs that involve adjacent color blocks. Don't stress about your nails looking too thick or wide. The key is to only apply liquid and powder to the areas that need it for the design or the clear coat, avoiding unnecessary bulk. If you're careful to stack clear powder only where it's needed, your nails will maintain a sleek, natural shape. Once everything is complete, apply one final, thin and even layer of liquid, followed by super fine clear powder. This step seals the entire look, protecting your design from damage or mess during the filing and buffing process. It ensures your nails stay flawless, smooth, and long-lasting. Now that you know the steps, let's get started and create this stunning next-level design together.